Hello guys! Welcome to Kabayan Koy channel.
Hello guys! Welcome naman sa aking channel. Magluluto tayo ng chicken curry. Ito na po yung ating wash and slice chicken. Ito na yung ating ingredients. Curry leaves with the cinnamon roll. This is our chopped onion. Chopped green chili. Our tomato. This is our chopped ginger and garlic. This is our coriander. This is our coconut oil. These are our spices. Sweet chili powder, cumin powder, this turmeric powder, masala powder, and coriander powder. Guys, ilagay na natin yung ating mantika. Ayan na siya. Guys, ilagay na natin yung ating ginger and garlic. Ilagay na natin siya para maglabas ang kanyang mabangong amoy. Guys, after 5 minutes, buksan natin. Takpan muna natin. Kaya may check natin natin. Guys, check na natin ang chicken. Haluin naman natin ng dalawang kulo yung ating coconut rice. Okay guys, come on, let's have lunch. Finish na aking chicken curry. Ito na siya. Tikman na natin. Ayan na. Masarap siya guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy my video.